Hi, I'm Michael Foreman, and I'm the head chef at Around the Table in Camas, Washington. And I'm here today to tell you about how to toast macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are indigenous to Hawaii. They are extremely hard to shell. So 9 times out of 10, you're only going to find them shelled already because it takes 300 pounds per square inch to crack a nut. And if you toast them in the shell, it does make the shell brittle and a little bit easier, or you could boil them in a little bit of salt water, and that does make the skin a little bit leathery. It makes it a little bit easier. All right. Here in the macadamia nut, there's a little seam, and you just take your knife across it. Since they are so large, it does make it a lot easier to toast them without burning them and getting a good toasty flavor all the way through. Some of the things you can do is use them as salad toppings. You can make pestos out of them. You could grind them up and use them as a meal to coat fish in. There's almost limitless possibilities. You need to have an oven about 250 degrees because you don't want to, since they are in high fat content, you don't want to burn them. And you want to get a nice rich flavor out of them before they get too dark. I already have some in the oven toasting. Just spread them evenly so you get nice circulation. And here are your finished products. It brings out the nut flavor. It makes them nice and for presentation. Again, you could use them as a salad topping. You could use them as a crust for fish, or you could use them anything you want. If you put them in brownies or baked goods, if you toast them prior to, they have a lot richer flavor that you're looking for in the flavor of the nut.